I said before like that.
Okay, come on, guys. This isn't scary. Whoa. Whoa. Help!
My loss. I'll run those guys. Forget about it.
Darn it.
No, wait, don't go.
Don't worry, Dudley. We'll be right back.
Boss! Yeah.
You and drugs? What's the viral? Horrific! Hey, Violet, you're breaking called FDA. You are the freaking nuts in a tired transaction. Accompanied together the base reputation forever. Accompanied together rebranded as children. I'm so mad as the manager, and so many to hear as you hear about it. Just you wait. Hey, Violet, you're breaking called FDA. You are the freaking nuts in a tired transaction. Accompanied together the base reputation forever. Accompanied together rebranded as children.